How does Whiskey connect Flask apps to web servers? Imagine trying to get your Python code to talk smoothly with a web server that speaks a different language. That's where Whiskey comes in. Whiskey, which stands for Web Server Gateway Interface, acts like a translator between your Flask application and the web server. When you create a Flask app, it's just a Python program that can handle web requests and send back responses. But web servers like Apache or Nginx don't understand Python natively. They need a way to communicate with your Flask app. Whiskey provides that common language. It sets a standard way for the server and the Python app to talk to each other. In a typical setup, you use a Whiskey server like Gunicorn or uWSGI to run your Flask app. The web server receives incoming requests from users and then forwards those requests to the Whiskey server. The Whiskey server then calls your Flask app through the Whiskey interface, giving it all the request details. Your Flask app processes the request, maybe interacts with a database or calls an API, then sends back a response. The Whiskey server takes this response and passes it back to the web server, which finally sends it to the user's browser. To make this work, you usually create a small Whiskey script. This script imports your Flask app and exposes it as a callable object named application. The web server's configuration points to this script. For example, if you're using Apache with modWSGI, you write a Whiskey file that imports your Flask app and tells Apache to use it. When a request comes in, Apache forwards it to the Whiskey script, which then calls your Flask app. This setup is efficient and flexible. It allows your Flask application to run in a production environment, handling many requests at once. It also makes it easy to add features like static file serving or SSL management through the web server. In short, Whiskey connects Flask apps to web servers by providing a clear, standard way for requests to flow from the server to your Python code and back. This connection makes it simple to deploy Flask applications that are fast, reliable, and ready to handle real-world web traffic.